foldable phone future is barely here, with only Samsung Galaxy Fold readily available for people to buy. But it looks like Samsung could be about to launch its second foldable phone already, and it could be shown before the Motorola Razr. This phone is the Samsung W20 5G, and it has been teased by China Telecom in a Weibo post. All we know so far is the name, a November release date, and the fact it's a foldable 5G phone, but that's still a lot to go on. It might not be common knowledge outside of China and Korea, but Samsung is one of the last few phone manufacturers that still make flip phones, like a clamshell phones. These phones are not made available outside of those two markets, which is why few know about them. Its next one, however, could actually make headlines if the recent speculation is on the mark. According to those, a so-called W25G, probably the SMW2020, might not only be a flip phone but also one with a foldable screen. We are expecting the Motorola Razr to launch on November 13, almost exactly in the middle of the expected launch window of the Samsung W20. This means there is a 50% chance the Samsung W20 will get shown off before the Motorola Razr, in which case Samsung would be the first company to put out a foldable clamshell device. Saying that, the Motorola launch event is for a global product launch, while Samsung's phone could be China exclusive, based on the fact the tease was from China and the W2019 was exclusive to the country. So while the Samsung W20 could launch first, the Motorola Razr could be in our hands sooner, as devices that launch in China often takes months to become available in the West, if they ever do. We will know for sure by the Razr's launch on November 13 though, so stay tuned to Tech Interval then to see the new foldable phone.